Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if this is your first time, you're also welcome to the family. My name is Blessing A. Kaale and I'm back with another video. So today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 quick and easy ways to style your knotless box braid. So if you are interested, you definitely want to keep on watching. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy. Let's get right into it, guys. So guys, this is all for now. These are the 5 ways I love to style my knotless box braid. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.